Let's learn how to delete a YouTube video on mobile. Surely you found yourself in a situation where you've uploaded a video to YouTube and didn't like how it performed, but you didn't know how to delete it. I'll show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is find and open the YouTube app on your phone. Once YouTube is open, you'll be on the home page, but you need to be on the You page. This page opens when you click on the You option in the bottom right corner. When that page opens, click on the View Channel option next to your channel's name. When you click on that option, your channel page will open. There, you need to click on the big Manage Videos button. When you click on it, a page with all your videos will open. On that page, find the video you want to delete. Once you've found that video, you'll see 3 dots next to it. Click on them, and a menu with several options will open. From all these options, you need to click on the Delete option. This option is at the bottom of the menu. When you click on it, you've successfully deleted the video using the first method. There is also a second, quicker way to do this, and now I'll show you how. You need to go back to the You page, and when you're on that page, you'll see the Your Videos option at the bottom. Click on that option, and there will be a list of all your videos. Find the one you want to delete, and you'll see 3 dots next to it. Click on them, and a menu with several options will open. The option you need on that menu is the one at the bottom, which is Delete. Click on it, and you've successfully completed the second method. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.